So this is the situation with this earphone. Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep. You are watching KSY Creations. Today I have these Samsung earphones. You can see one of the earphones is broken. Let's see how to repair this. To connect this wire as it was, we have to open this small cabin. I will use a cutter to open this cabin. You should be little careful while opening this cabin so that you should not damage the inner parts, and as well as you should not cut yourself. Here we removed this cover. So here are the terminals where we should solder the earphone. Here is the positive, this is the positive, and beside that it is the negative. To solder this earphone to the circuit board, you have to cut the edges of the wire. Here we can see two terminals. There is an insulation on these wires. We can burn these wires so that the insulation can be removed. Now the insulation layer is burned. Now we can solder this wire to the circuit board. Now I will solder these wires according to the polarity. Here I have soldered the terminals. Now I should check whether these are working or not. I have checked with these earphones, they are working fine. I will use this super glue to stick these plastic parts. Now these earphones are ready to use again. I hope this might be useful for someone. I hope you like this video. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Signing off, Sandeep.